Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of using the AWS ec2 Python API to manage Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, ec2, instances. We'll cover the basics of setting up the necessary prerequisites, configuring the AWS SDK for Python, ec2, and performing common ec2 operations using Python code. Before you start using the AWS ec2 API in Python, you need to configure your AWS credentials. You can do this by creating a credentials file or setting environment variables. The credentials file is located at /.aws/credentials. Let's create a Python script to interact with AWS ec2 using ec2. Create a file named ec2_operations.py. Uncomment and call the functions, create _ec2_instance, list _ec2_instances, terminate _ec2_instance, based on your requirements. Execute the script by running the following command. This script will perform the specified ec2 operations and provide relevant output. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python script to interact with AWS ec2 instances using the ec2 library. Feel free to explore additional ec2 operations and customize the script based on your needs. ChatGPT.